to answer calls with swipe or tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on keypad and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. After click on answering and ending calls, you will see gesture to answer is here. If you want to set swipe, click on swipe. If you want to set tap, click on tap. You will select swipe and tap from here. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can answer calls with swipe or tap on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.